Working with Dell and ESI on the warranty and deployment of our devices has been phenomenal. I couldn't ask for it to be any better. ESI works with Dell directly when we're doing our purchasing, so we're able to get the devices drop shipped to us exactly when we want them to show up, and they usually hit that date almost dead on within a few days. As far as deployment of the devices, right out of the box, the Dell devices, they just work. If we do run into an issue with the device, out of the box, ESI is right there with us to be able to assist in getting that taken care of as quickly as possible. And then when it comes to the warranty side, we always purchase the 4-year accidental damage plan, and that has allowed us to keep the fleet, in good working condition. If a student accidentally breaks their device, they trip, fall, those type of things, we have a fleet of devices that are on the shelf that are also covered under that plan. So a student would go less than 5 minutes typically without a device. They can swing by our office, we put in a help desk ticket, give them a loaner device. Their device gets picked up by ESI on Wednesday, and we get that device back pretty much the very next week. It's just great knowing that ESI is consistent and going to show up to do those repairs for us. So the implementation of the Chromebooks for both districts really has just been huge for them. It's easy for us to manage, and then anytime the teachers have new applications or anything that they want to push out to those students, or new things that even the students find, it's just extremely easy for us to be able to push that out to the students. And then of course the Chrome platform is very flexible for the students anyway. So the Dell hardware has been a better option for us. Here at Western Wayne specifically, before we went with the Dell Chromebooks, they had a tablet type device that was being used. And of course, devices get dropped, middle school students. It was a lot of broken screens. We were having to repair those in-house. So that was taking up a lot of our time as a tech team. So having, the Dell Chromebooks, really, they're more durable. We don't see as many breaks. We're not having to repair those screens on our own. The history of working with ESI really started here at Western Wayne Schools before I was on the team. I worked for another district prior to 2017, and the director at that time here at Western Wayne had brought ESI in, I think from a reference from a neighboring district. So I was kind of introduced to ESI through that. I'd heard of the name through the HEC conference and little events that we would go to when I worked at the previous district. And I really don't look at ESI as being a vendor. I look at that as more of a partnership, almost a friendship, really. I have a lot of the team members' phone numbers. I can call them directly on their cell phone. They almost always answer as soon as I call them. And if not, they're sending me a text, hey, I'll call you back shortly or whatever. And even late hours of the evening, if something comes up, they're extremely helpful with that. So when I started with Blue River, as far as bringing ESI and Dell into that environment, really the biggest thing that made me want to do that was the pickups of the devices that needed to be repaired. Previously, they were sending those through just a mailing service, boxing the devices up, sending those off to Dell directly. It was hard to track that, and I'd had such a great experience at Western Wayne with Dell and ESI. I really wanted to keep that relationship and build that. So it was a way in the door, but I think it was a huge thing that really impacted Western Wayne schools on saving time that has really started to do the exact same thing at Blue River. So a current opportunity that we're working with Dell and ESI on is updating our business labs. They haven't been refreshed in a while, so the high school lab is going to be set up more of like an office space so that those students can start experiencing cubicle type work. They're going to have an area where they can kind of have group instruction separate, but then they will have hopefully brand new Dell equipment that will come through ESI in those cubicle areas. And then our middle school lab will be just a standard style lab with straight tables. But the opportunity that it's really going to provide for the students is, refreshing that equipment. It's going to be faster equipment. We're putting higher end equipment in there, so there's specialized software that will be in our high school lab and in the middle school lab. The flexibility of the Dell Chromebooks and the different special needs that our students have, we've been able to meet all of those needs with the Chromebooks from Dell. Chrome OS has a lot of those features already built into them. So we've had students that recently had Bluetooth hearing aids where they needed to be able to connect those through Bluetooth. We were able to train that student and the school nurse on how to connect those. So that made it nice for us to be able to quickly show them how to make that work. And then, just seeing the smile on that student's face when we were able to get those connected and he was able to finally hear the video that he was trying to watch for his schoolwork, that was just huge. Put a huge smile on our face. Students with other needs, we've had students here at Western Wayne that had visual impairments, so they needed a larger screen, so we were able to purchase the 14-inch version of the Chromebooks. So when it comes to inclusion and being able to keep our students engaged and in the same classroom, we've really been able to do that with the Dell devices.